It is said that the groundwork for modern calculus was laid in India 2 centuries before it was actually invented in Europe. One of the important institutions that contributed to this was the Kerala School of Astrology and Mathematics. This is not a discourse on mathematics, but we are concerned with two people who belong to the Kerala School of Mathematics, Achyuta Pisharidi and Melpattur Narayana Bhattadri. Now, why are we concerned with the two people? Melpattur Narayana Bhattadri is known for writing the Narayanyam, a concise version of the Bhagavata Purana, which was written by Vedavyasa. So there's an interesting story behind the writing of the Narayanyam. What happened was Achyuta Pisharidi, Melpattur's guru, was affected with rheumatism, and those days the concept of Guru Bhakti was very strong, and with yogic interventions Melpattur took the disease of rheumatism upon himself. Rheumatism is a very painful disease, and seeing Melpattur's plight, Ezhuthachan, an important Malayalam poet those days, suggested that nee korchu meen tottu kootuga, which means take a pinch of fish. That, if told to any other Brahmin, would have been taken as a grave insult, but Melpattur, being the wise guy that he was, realized that this was Ezhuthachan's way of telling him to create a representation of Lord Vishnu's avatars, starting off with the Matsya avatar, the avatar of the fish. So what Melpattur did was, he went to Guruvayur, where there's an important temple of Lord Krishna, and started composing one dashaka, which is 10 verses of the Narayanyam daily. And the interesting part about the last verse of each of these dashakas is that it is a direct plea from Melpattur to Lord Vishnu that he be cured of the disease. And interestingly, it is said that on the 100th day, after composing the 100th dashaka, which is called the Ayur Arogya Saukhyam, he was cured completely of rheumatism. So while this interesting story, in fact even today, Narayanyam is chanted because it is believed that a person chanting Narayanyam will be cured of any affliction, both mental and physical. So now that we've gotten to the backstory of Narayanyam, let's listen to a rendition of the Narayanyam by Sajid Pallipuram.
Bhaktanam kamavashadvidaru kisalayam nadade padamulam nityam chittasthidam me pavanapurabade Krishna karunya sindho Krishna Karunya Sindho Hritva Nisheshataban Pratishat Paramananda Sandoha Lakshmi Pratishat Paramananda Sandoha Lakshmi